What if the next AI tool isn't just cool, but smart enough to take your job? I'm Giddy, and today we're diving into the hottest AI projects that either help you make money, save time, or make you replaceable. In this video, you'll discover which tools are just hype, which ones can make you money, and which ones already sent their resume to your boss. Coming in at number 7, we have a project called Kontext-Style-Loras. What if style transformations weren't just Instagram filters, but actual artistic intelligence? Flux One Kontext-LoRA adapters aren't just another AI image tool. They're 20 distinct artistic brains that transform your boring photos into Ghibli, Van Gogh, or Lego masterpieces. This isn't just image-to-image conversion. It's artistic reinterpretation with actual stylistic understanding. For once, an AI art tool that actually respects the styles it mimics. Is your job safe as an illustrator or concept artist? Probably not. This replaces sketch artists, style adapters, and junior digital artists who do style conversions. People who would pay for this are independent game developers needing concept art on a budget, local marketing agencies creating client pitches, and wedding photographers looking to offer premium artistic prints as upsells. This is how you make money. Create a SaaS platform that auto-processes images in batches. Target small businesses with white-labeled API access. Charge monthly plus per image fees. Set up an Etsy shop selling custom artwork where you run photos through different styles. Create limited edition prints. The tech is simple. Front-end, API wrapper around the model, batch processor, and storage system. Sell as AI Art Studio in a box. Coming in at number 6, we have a project called Stars Friday/Kontext-Remover-General-LoRA. What if removing objects from images wasn't a Photoshop nightmare? Flux Kontext-Dev is a specialized LoRA model that surgically removes people, objects, and elements from images without destroying the scene. It's like having a digital eraser for reality, trained specifically for background removal in e-commerce, character images, and object photos. Not just another diffusion model, but a targeted solution for clean image manipulation without the 10-hour YouTube tutorial. Is your job as a photo editor about to evaporate into the cloud? This tool directly threatens photo editors, image retouchers, and basic Photoshop service providers. People who would pay for this are small e-commerce store owners trying to clean up product photos, local photographers needing to remove photobombers, and real estate agents wanting to digitally stage or clean up property images without hiring specialists. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Set up a simple website offering instant background removal services. Charge $5 per image with tiered packages. Integrate the API with a drag-and-drop interface. Automate the entire process, and offer enterprise subscriptions to small businesses. Target Etsy sellers, real estate photographers, and small online retailers who need clean product images but lack technical skills. Coming in at number 5, we have a project called Pencil-Drawing-Kontext-Dev-LoRA. What if your photos could transform into museum-quality engravings without you ever touching a pencil? Flux One Kontext-Dev is an image-to-image LoRA model that converts regular photos into engraved drawing styles. It's built on the diffuser's framework and requires a specific trigger phrase to work. Not revolutionary tech, just another AI art filter pretending it's special when it's basically Instagram for pretentious art majors. Who should be worried about this tool? Traditional engravers and sketch artists who charge hundreds per piece. Your cousin who majored in fine arts and does portrait commissions at the local market is officially obsolete. People who would pay for this are small local print shops, wedding photographers looking to upsell fancy portraits, and boutique gift store owners who want to offer personalized engraved-style merchandise. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Set up an Etsy shop offering custom hand-engraved portraits. Charge $50 for what takes you 30 seconds to generate. Create a tiered pricing model, basic engravings, premium finishes, and framed options. Partner with local photographers to offer this as an add-on service. The tech is simple. Input image, apply model, print on fancy paper, frame it, profit. Coming in at number 4, We have a project called Reverentilucerca/Context Turnaround Sheet LoRA V1. What if your art pipeline was a lie and your concept artists were just clicking buttons? Flux Context is a LoRA model that generates character turnaround sheets from a single image. Feed it one full body shot, get 5 perfectly consistent views, front, 34, profile, back, all in a neat horizontal row. It's not reinventing the wheel, but it's making that will spin faster for character designers who need consistency. Is your job as a concept artist secure, or are you about to be automated into oblivion? This tool replaces junior concept artists who do repetitive turnarounds and reference sheets. People who would pay for this are indie game developers with tight budgets, small animation studio owners, and local comic book artists looking to standardize their character designs without hiring additional staff. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Set up a Fiverr or Etsy shop offering professional character turnaround sheets for $20 to $50 per character. Take clients' single character images, run them through this model, do minimal touch-ups, and deliver premium turnaround sheets. Target indie game developers, tabletop RPG creators, and small animation studios who need professional-looking design documents but lack in-house artists. Coming in at number 3, we have a project called Context Community/Relighting Kontext-Dev-LoRA V3. What if your sad, flat images could come alive with lighting? Flux One Kontext-Dev-LoRA isn't another generic image filter, it's a specialized fine-tuned model that changes the lighting conditions of existing images. It's been trained on 30 pairs of synthetically relight images to transform the mood and atmosphere of photos through advanced diffusion techniques. This is the difference between amateur hour and cinematic magic. Who should be worried about this tool? Photo editors who charge premium fees for basic lighting adjustments. Lighting assistants on small photo shoots might find themselves replaced. People who would pay for this are small wedding photographers looking to save editing time, local real estate agents wanting to enhance property photos, and independent filmmakers needing to fix lighting issues without reshoots. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Create a subscription service for small businesses needing image enhancement. Charge photographers $20 per 100 processed images with volume discounts. Build a simple web interface where clients upload photos, select lighting presets like golden hour or dramatic shadow, and get instant results. Advertise on photography forums and offer free trials to local event venues. Coming in at number 2, we have a project called FA/Flux Kontext-Dev-PS1-LoRA. What if I told you your fancy modern graphics are actually holding you back? Flux Kontext-PS1 is a LoRA that transforms any image into PlayStation 1 style graphics. This ain't just nostalgia bait, it's an image-to-image model that deliberately downgrades your visuals to that chunky, janky PS1 aesthetic we secretly miss. Technical folks, it's trained for the Flux One Kontext-Dev model, compatible with diffusers and comfy UI. Is your job as a modern graphics artist still safe? This tool replaces high-end rendering artists who spend hours creating retro looks manually. Goodbye polished graphics specialists, hello one-click nostalgia. People who would pay for this are indie game developers trying to capitalize on retro trends, YouTubers making video game retrospectives, and local arcade bar owners wanting custom promotional materials with authentic vintage vibes. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Create a subscription service offering retro gaming makeover packs that transform modern photos into various gaming-era aesthetics. Build a simple web interface where users upload images, select their desired gaming era, and get processed results. Charge per image or monthly subscriptions. Target retro gaming communities, social media content creators, and indie game developers needing authentic-looking marketing materials. Coming in at number 1, we have a project called FAL/Realism-Detailer-Kontext-Dev-LoRA. What if that HD selfie filter is just covering up the fact you look like a potato in real life? Flux One Context is a face-enhancing AI LoRA that adds hyperrealistic skin texture and facial details to images. It transforms blurry, low-detail faces into magazine-worthy portraits with just a simple trigger phrase. Not just another beautification tool, This is surgical precision facial reconstruction without the scalpel. Is your job at risk if you're a portrait retoucher or skin editor? This tool replaces professional photo editors, glamour photographers, and those beauty app developers selling you filters for $5 a pop. People who would pay for this are local wedding photographers looking to save hours of Photoshop work, small-town portrait studios struggling to compete with bigger brands, and independent real estate agents wanting to make their headshots look more trustworthy. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Set up a professional headshot enhancement service for local businesses and professionals. Charge $20 to $50 per image with bulk discounts. Target LinkedIn users, dating app subscribers, and realtors. Market via before-after samples on Instagram. Build a simple website with automated processing. Scale by white labeling for photography studios who hate editing faces. So, are you going to take these free AI projects and flip them into cash, or just let the bag pass you by? The ball's in your court. These videos ain't easy to make, but we're grinding to drop heat every weekday. So smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't miss your next $1 million idea. Giddy out.